Hi guys, welcome back to Spotaria channel. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how to activate double tap screen in Infinix Hot 12 Play. But before we continue this video, as always I hope you like, comment and subscribe to support the channel, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So without any further ado, let's get started. First thing first that you have to do, of course, you just have to go ahead to the settings on your phone first. Now in the settings page, you just have to scroll down until you find here the special function option. After, tap on this action and gesture option. Now here at the first option, you will see the tapping wake option. Just tap on it and just activate the toggle next to tapping wake. And yeah, for use it, if you want to turn off the screen of your phone, you just have to double tap on your home screen at the blank part. For example, here I'm gonna tap it, double tap, 1, 2, and as you can see, it will turn off. So if you want to turn it on again, you just have to do the same way, double tap on your screen like this, and it will turn on. So I think it's enough. That's it guys. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this video will help you. Don't forget to leave your comment in the column below. I'll see you soon on the next one, and good luck.